Yeah, buddy. Come here, guy. Oh, yeah. Boy, this one's got a bony mouth. All right, Bill, this one's for you. Look at that guy. Let me get this hook out of his mouth, and then we can do some filming here. Hang on. Boy. Yeah, that's good. That's a good fish. Damn it. Got it good. There it is.
Whew.
Badass hook. Alright, look at that guy. He's about 2-pounder.
Oh, he does have a bony mouth.
Pretty fish. Very healthy. Alright, we're going to say goodbye to him. Check him out so we can get him to jump.
What was it?
Yeah.